Vessel, and we live to get people outdoors to explore wild, untamed spaces and sleep out under the stars. For outdoor enthusiasts like ourselves, it's an exhilarating sense of freedom. Preparing to camp in the great outdoors can be a challenge. You want your gear to be accessible, easy to carry, and super organized. And you don't want to forget anything. No matches, no campfire. Meet Vessel Camp Supplies, the world's most versatile outdoor adventure kit. It will change how you prepare for outdoor adventure forever. It contains 70 pieces of essential gear, all perfectly organized into 8 neatly labeled screw-top containers and housed inside an indestructible, waterproof LED light. And we back it with a lifetime warranty. Each Vessel Camp is completely watertight and made from military-grade aluminum, keeping all the gear inside secure and dry. Stay on track with the easy-to-read, oil-filled precision compass, accurate even in frigid temperatures. Vessel Adventure Tape is ultra-versatile, perfect for gear repair, marking your trail, or bandaging wounds. The mini first aid kit holds 6 bandages, 10 wound closure strips, 2 antiseptic wipes, and safety pins. Just enough to take care of minor injuries and annoying trail blisters. The 25 feet of marine-grade rope has 250-pound braking strength, more than enough to hang a dry line, repair broken laces, or secure your gear. Use the extra sharp razor to cut kindling or repair gear. The fire starter kit's waterproof quick tinder fire starter and waterproof matches will help keep you warm, no matter the conditions. Use gear ties to hang gear in your tent or from a line. The aluminum beadless emergency whistle will ward off bears and work in any weather. A P38 military GI type can opener. Use it as a screwdriver, a cutting edge, or dozens of other jobs. The fishing kit contains a spoon spinner, 3 worms, 6 J-hooks, split shot, a bobber, and 35 feet of line. Everything you need to catch a tasty trout for dinner. Fuel your fire with the extra tough Vessel wire saw, the same one used by British military. There are 10 water purifying aqua tabs and a 1-liter water bag for when you need clean water. Use the super tough expandable bamboo cloth to strain dirty water or simply clean up after dinner. Cozy up on your favorite outdoor spot with the pure Canadian beeswax candle. Light up the trail with the ultra-bright 4-mode LED floodlight. It has up to 40 hours of burn time and includes bright, dim, red, and SOS modes. And just in case, there's also a signaling mirror to let people know where you are in case of emergency. Remember, preparation is key for fun and survival in the outdoors. Vessel Camp wasn't created by marketing focus groups in some boardroom. It was invented by our founder, Todd Weimer, while he was growing up in northern Canada. Todd and his best friend wanted to make packing and carrying their outdoor gear easier so they could prepare more quickly and head out into the wild with confidence. Let Vessel Camp Supplies prepare you for your adventures. It'll be the best thing you put in your backpack this year. Back us on Kickstarter today and get your Vessel Camp Supplies in time for camping season 2019.